Hello and welcome to another update video about WTI. We're going to take a look at the latest WTI update, microstructure and so on. What are the relevant levels to watch from an Elliott wave point of view? The idea is that we could be in this B wave to the upside still. I zoom out a little bit on the oil chart here. The idea is that we could have completed a larger degree A wave in May 23. Really, since then, we've only been moving sideways, as you can see. Not really any impulsive movement. So we are moving in a pretty tight range. I mean, it's not that tight, actually. It's quite volatile. But still, if you consider this was quite a nice uptrend that happened into the 2022 highs. And now we just seem to be in a massive correction, which I'm labeling as an A, B, C structure, with resistance for a B wave between $95 and $142, even though that would be quite an aggressive B wave. And multiple interpretations are possible here. But from a let's say, short-term bullish point of view, there is a very clear invalidation point from this time frame here perspective at $64. This is the September low. As long as we're holding that, there is a case to be made to say that, okay, you know, an A wave bottomed here in March 23, then this B wave would be an A done, a B wave probably done in the yellow count, and we could be in the C wave up. And this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2. We could now be in wave 3, then get a wave 4 and a wave 5. Now, alternatively, if the price breaks below the September low, it's likely a larger wave B. Okay, so but for now, I'm watching for the yellow scenario and for the price to go up a little bit higher in the short term, because we formed a higher low here and then started to move up further. But bear in mind, this is only part of a larger diagonal. So my interpretation is, because this is also a corrective rally, this move up into the April 24 highs, which I would label an ABC structure, had a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, yeah, that this is now a third wave, absolutely, but an A, B, C structure. So looking at the microstructure, this here would be an ABC, and the blue area is sort of a target area for wave C of A of 3, between $74.71 and $80.41. Now looking really at the nanostructure here, I could make a case for 1, 2 already done, 3 done, 4 done, and we could now be in the late stages of wave 5, maybe just one more push to that 100% extension before then a B wave pullback occurs. Now, is that wave B of 3? It's probably just wave B of an even larger A wave, okay? So it could be that we say, yep, it's all choppy, it's all corrective here, but it's part of a possible diagonal. So A, B, C could be, again, a larger A wave, then B, then C. I mean, is that a great chart to trade? No, not really. But in the very short term, there was a micro support area here the market reacted to. And yeah, I think we could be in wave 5 of C of A. And then I can already give you support for B. However, I can only, you know, this is not definite, okay? It's a moving support area because we haven't got a top in wave A yet. But if wave B starts from here, there are 4 levels to watch: $66.17, $67.80, $68.96, and $70.14. So that means in the very short term, we could push a little bit higher, but let me give you the first level. I mean, if the market breaks below $72, yeah, so minimum expectations for the upside pretty much complete. I need some kind of a trigger level that would suggest that the move down has started. Earliest indication would be a move below $72, but that's really only the earliest indication. It needs to be the right structure, but then yeah, it could be that this B wave has started before we then go up higher. That means, in other words, as soon as we break below $66, the lower boundary of that support area, it could indicate that the blue count is unfolding with a lower wave B. But that would need to be further confirmed with a break below that $64 level, which is the September low. That's the update about WTI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out these stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.